Sally has 45 friends on her social media account. A month ago, she had 27. How many friends has she added in the past month? To solve this problem, we are going to need to subtract. Let's set up the problem of 45 minus 27. When we start subtracting, we can see that we need to regroup because the 5 ones in the number 45 are not going to deal with the 7 ones in 27. So let's go ahead and do that. Here, we have the result of the regrouping. We take one of the 4 tens away and it becomes 3 tens. Then, we move that 10 and it turns into 10 ones, so the 5 ones now become 15. Now we can go ahead and solve the problem. In the ones digit, 15 minus 7 equals 8. In the tens digit, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So, now we know that Sally has added 18 new friends on social media in the past month. Let's take a look at another problem together.